what happens if you hold in a sneeze? That's actually my question as well.
Holding a sneeze, nothing happens.
Apparently, it's really dangerous.
For
Yeah, it
real?
can actually damage your throat or burst a blood vessel. Oh
Really?
my god, so you shouldn't be doing it. Sometimes when I'm in a class, I do
Yeah, like
that.
lectures, like
Yeah.
it's silent. You don't want to go
Yeah.
like,
There's a difference between sneeze culture, I would say, between
mm.
like white people, I don't know, white or black people and
Yeah,
brown
yeah,
people.
yeah, that's
Because
true.
if we just let it out,